How to add music to photo in Reelshot. Want your photo edits to have sound? Here's how to add music to a photo in Reelshot. Start a new project and add your photo to the timeline. Next, tap Add Music or the audio button in the toolbar. Browse through available tracks or import your own from your device. Select the music, adjust the starting point and duration to match your photo, and preview it to make sure it fits. Once happy, save or export your project. Do you prefer calm or upbeat music for your edits? Let us know in the comments below. Fade in or out your music for a more polished look. And that's how you can add music to photo in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.